This past weekend, I jumped on my motorcycle and rode deep into the jungles of Alabama to escape the corona zombie apocalypse and find a place to camp in the middle of the jungle. I hung my hammock, or bear burrito as people call it, and sat on it while I sucked water through a tube. And then I created a fire with my very own bare hands. And after I started the fire, I talked about how to make a fire with your bare hands, and then I showed you how not to cook a healthy keto diet over a fire. After that, I begged for free product from manufacturers, and then I tasted my burnt and smelly keto meal that I burnt over a fire. The sun went down, and then it came back up like it always does when you're not a zombie. And I woke up and thought about why I failed to bring coffee on a camping trip. Then I packed up and rode my motorcycle at 200 miles an hour through the jungle, searching for an abandoned fire tower. And if you have 45 minutes to kill, you can see all this and more in Bankhead Stealth Camping. And if you don't watch it, the coronavirus and the terrorist win. Don't let the coronavirus and the terrorist win.